to change Messenger time zone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Then click on three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is Menu. In here, you'll find different options. If you find time zone option, simply change your time zone. But now you won't be able to see the time zone option. So what you can do is open settings. In the settings, scroll down and click on system. After you click on system, click on date and time. After you click on date and time, click on time zone in here. After you've selected time zone, click on region at the top and then search the region. After that, your time zone will change according to the region and you're good to go. This is how to change Messenger time zone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.